I know some people are just gonna be here and be like, oh, she started her stuff review and stuff. If I see your comment, I will block you. Like, trust me, I will block you. There's no way. I don't even have time for hate comments this time. Yep, girls. I wanna be a star, I wanna be a diamond. When I grow up, I wanna shine brighter, brighter, brighter. Eh, eh, eh. Oh my god, that is so terrible, right? What up, guys? Good afternoon, and this is actually me editorial. You know that? Yep. All right. So today, I'm just gonna be showing you guys a particular soap that I'm using. Okay, enough of that. Let me get rid of these glasses and talk to you so you can see my eyeball. Alright guys, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, if you're new, subscribe, thumbs up the video, and share if you want. Yeah, if you like. Yeah, please do. It will do me a lot of good. Alright guys, so I just want to show you guys a particular soap I bought some last week, and I've actually been using this soap. This is the name. It's a locally made soap. This is how it is. I've actually been using it. So you guys saying this is actually Ghana. They wrote here Ghana soap, but I'm pretty sure this is actually made in Nigeria. Like pretty sure it's actually made in Nigeria. But they wrote here Ghana soap. They wrote here Damitan Ghana soap for skin protection. Alright, now the reason why I actually went ahead to buy the soap is actually because it has sulfur in it. Okay, and I have sulfur in the kitchen. Alright, which I actually used to make my DIY soap. I wanted to use it that way, but I was like, I need something that will be foaming, so I said, okay, let me go and buy the soap. Alright, it's just going to help a lot. Now let me tell you why I actually bought that soap some few weeks back. I think last week or last 2 weeks or so, you can tell. Alright, when I wasn't feeling fine, I was feeling malaria and stuff, and I couldn't just wash my face in the night, and because I was feeling cold and there was rain. Alright, so I had a lot of breakouts, and I was also on my ovulation period and stuff, so the breakout was very much like, you can see, let me come close. I don't know if you can see this particular thing. It has gone down, dry off somewhere around here. Okay, somewhere here, and I don't know if you can see anyone, but my face is clear now. Alright, I don't actually entertain pimples or breakouts on my face for more than 3 days. Like, trust me, I'm just gonna get rid of it. If it's not gonna be this soap, it's gonna be something else. I have tons of stuff I actually use to get rid of pimples on my face. So when that stuff happened, and I said, okay, let me go buy the soap because it's not far away from me where they sell it, and I went to buy it. It's not very expensive, it's very cheap. Alright, so what I do is that I actually don't put it around my eyes. Okay, I actually rub the soap on my face, especially on those parts. I'm going to be showing you a video where I use the soap and apply on my face. You can tell the pimples around the side, it was kind of much. Alright, so guys, alright, so what I do, I just take this soap. It's actually called Ghana soap. Here's the brand. That's the only description. In Nigeria, we usually have this soap. It's called Juju. This one is, I don't know. So it's kind of helpful for upcoming pimples and rashes and all of that. I know some of you guys. Some of you guys must have known. Okay, so I'm actually washing. That's why it's making noise. Some of you guys must have known this. This particular one, I guess, is kind of different because it works like really good. But what I do is I just actually leave it on my face. I use this soap only when I'm kind of ovulating or menstruating, because you guys know now there will be difference on the face, like pimples or some breakout because of the monthly flow. So that's why I actually use this. So what I'll do, I'll just rub it on my face for some while, and then I'll leave it for like 1 minute, 30 seconds. After that, I'll have to wash it off. Ouch! It's kind of so like discomforting when you soap on the face. That's to be though. Some people actually rub soap on their face and leave it for some while. But me, it's kind of really disturbing. So I usually don't leave soap on my face for so long. I kind of like massaging it, and after that, I'll just wash the whole thing off. Alright, so I have to apply the soap again on my face for the second time. Because once is usually not enough. For me, alright guys, so actually I bought the soap some days ago, and just because of some breakouts, like when I'm menstruating and stuff, that's why I bought the soap. Okay, so I'll rub it and then I'll just wash it off. Now, number one thing for using the soap is that if you have a dry skin already and you know very well that you have a dry skin, don't use it, because it's just going to dry off all the moisture on your skin. Alright, so what the soap actually does is it dry off the oil, reduce the oil follicles, shrink, yeah, that's what I wanted to say, shrink the oil follicles. Therefore, your face, that would help your face not produce a lot of oil, and too much of production of oil on the skin brings breakouts. That's if you can't clean the skin surface very well. Alright, that leads to breakouts, because your pores is going to be clogged, and when the pores is clogged, there will be pimples coming out from your face. Alright, so that is what I actually use. And also the second thing I noticed is that on this part of the eyelid and the eye bag area that's under the eye, you don't use the soap, because the chemicals that they're actually using making the soap is actually some natural chemicals like lemon, sulfur. They actually don't want to mention all of them, but they put some natural natural ingredients in it that would hurt the face. And it also helps to, this particular one though, because I know there are tons and tons and different types of Ghana soap you can find in the market. I don't know if you can find this particular one. Oops, that would be really good. Alright, because it did like shrink my face. And if you have dry skin, I don't know if I've said this before, but if I'm saying it again, I think I'll be repeating it and telling you, alright, if you have dry skin, don't use the soap because it's going to dry out all the moisture on your face. And no matter how it is, you still need oil on your skin because your skin has to be nourished, it has to glow. Alright, as much as we wash out the waste oil, you still apply oil. That is what the skin needs. Alright, because if you don't apply oil on your skin, the skin will be forced to produce more oil to nourish the outer layer of it. So that is why sometimes you kind of see some people also have breakouts even if they wash their face, because you wash your face and you don't apply another oil. Alright, you know what I'm saying? Alright, and this also helps in fading dark spots. You can try that. You can only find this in the local market. I honestly don't know how to directly to find this particular soap, but I'm very sure you can find it in the local market. That is why I'm actually still bringing it very close so you can see it and purchase it if you want. This is actually not a bleaching stuff. Alright, if you start using it and your fair, it's just going to make you a little bit darker. That's if you weren't fair before. Alright, so that is it. Caution in case you want to be fair, because I know a lot of people want to tone up their skin. They don't want anything that would make them dark, but nonetheless, this is not going to like make you dark, but it doesn't tone the skin, but it just helps to remove dark spots. So you can also just use it on your face, and after that you apply your normal oil or your normal cream on your face, and it's gonna be really good. Alright, so if you can see it in the market and buy, I think it's gonna help. It's going to help your trouble of acne breakouts, like acne breakouts. If you have a new acne breakout, you can take it, like take a little and then apply it there. It's going to be very, very discomforting. Like it's gonna prick you, it's gonna itch you somehow like that. It's gonna give you that itchy sensation, and then it's just going to go, right? It's just similar to what Colgate toothpaste does on the skin. The same thing. There is no difference. Yeah. Alright guys, so I hope you did enjoy this video. That's wrap up this video. I just wanted to show you guys, you guys know, like I kind of show you what I use, because if I don't, you are still going to ask. I know some people are just going to be here and be like, oh, she started her stuff review and stuff. If I see your comment, I will block you. Like, trust me, I will block you. There's no way. I don't even have time for hate comments this time, right? I just want to be happy, free of hate comments. Alright guys, so you guys know I just want to show you guys what I use and how I use it and stuff. Alright, so you can also help yourself, because no knowledge is waste. Even if you can't see it and buy, you would see another one when I tell you another cream or soap or stuff or anything and stuff. Let me get out of here. Alright guys, so that will love this video. Don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe and share the video, and I will see you in my next video.